So guys, for this recipe I'm going to use my pre-purchased packaged dough mix. So I'm using 1 pack here. I'm then going to add half cup of warm water. So make sure the water is not too hot because the yeast is already in the dough, so you don't want it to kill the yeast. So we use warm water. We'll stir it to make a dough, then we're going to grease our bowl. So grease our bowl with some oil. We're going to place back our dough in it and put it to proof and rise for about an hour. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use to make our sauce. So we're going to use ketchup instead of tomato sauce. We're then going to heat our pot and add oil. We're going to also add our herbs and our seasoning, and then we'll add our ketchup to make our sauce. Set that aside. Time to check on our dough. So we check it to see if it bounces back. Once it's well proof, we're going to start rolling it out. So you're going to knead it, I'm going to roll it and shape it on a floured surface. So here I'm shaping it, rolling it, get it into a nice ball shape, and then we're going to roll it out so we get the circular. It keeps its circular shape while we're rolling it to put in our prepared pan.